Are you ready to dominate the road in 2025? From hybrid beasts cranking 583 pound-feet of torque to luxury rides with massive touchscreens and unbeatable safety tech, we've got the top SUVs that crush off-road trails, haul families in style, and start under $30,000. Which one's your game changer? Stick around as I reveal the top 9 must-haves that'll make you rethink your ride. Watch now and find out. Number 9. 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser marks a significant evolution in the brand's off-road legacy. Equipped with a 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid engine, it delivers 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque, ensuring formidable performance across diverse terrains. The vehicle's design retains its iconic boxy silhouette, complemented by modern touches such as a bold grille and LED lighting. Inside, the cabin boasts a 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 suite, which includes lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control. With a starting price around $55,000, the Land Cruiser offers a compelling blend of heritage and innovation. Number 8. 2025 Honda Pilot. The 2025 Honda Pilot stands out as a versatile family SUV, powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine producing 285 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. It offers a smooth driving experience. The Pilot's design features a bold front grille and LED headlights, enhancing its road presence. Inside, it accommodates up to 8 passengers with leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, and a 9-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Safety is prioritized with Honda Sensing Suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. Starting at approximately $39,000, the Pilot combines reliability with modern amenities. Number 7. 2025 Toyota Highlander. The 2025 Toyota Highlander continues to be a top choice for those seeking a balance between performance and efficiency. Its 2.4-liter turbocharged engine delivers 265 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The Highlander offers seating for up to 8 passengers and features a panoramic sunroof, a 12.3-inch touchscreen, and elegant upholstery. Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 suite ensures comprehensive protection, including lane departure alert and pre-collision warning. With a starting price around $38,500, the Highlander remains a dependable choice for families. Number 6. 2025 Toyota 4Runner. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner maintains its reputation as a rugged off-road SUV. Equipped with a 4.0-liter V6 engine producing 270 horsepower and 278 pound-feet of torque, it features a 5-speed automatic transmission and part-time 4-wheel drive. The 4Runner's design emphasizes durability, with a body-on-frame construction and a locking rear differential. Inside, it offers an 8-inch display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Safety features include Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, which encompasses automatic emergency braking and lane departure alert. Starting at approximately $42,000, the 4Runner is ideal for those seeking adventure-ready capability. Number 5. 2025 Hyundai Palisade. The 2025 Hyundai Palisade impresses with its blend of luxury and practicality. Powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine delivering 287 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque, it offers a comfortable ride. The Palisade's design features a spacious interior with premium materials, including a 12.3-inch curved digital display and leather upholstery. Hyundai SmartSense provides safety features such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assistance. With a starting price around $40,500, the Palisade offers exceptional value in the midsize SUV segment. Number 4. 2025 Toyota Sequoia. The 2025 Toyota Sequoia is a full-size SUV designed for those needing substantial power and space. Its 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 hybrid engine produces 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. The Sequoia's interior offers luxurious appointments, including a 14-inch touchscreen and ample cargo space. Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 ensures safety with features like adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning. Starting at approximately $61,000, the Sequoia is a formidable choice for large families and towing needs. Number 3. 2025 Subaru Outback. The 2025 Subaru Outback transitions into a mid-size SUV, retaining its off-road prowess. It offers two engine options: a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine producing 182 horsepower, and a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine delivering 260 horsepower. Both engines are paired with Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive and a continuously variable transmission. The Outback's design emphasizes practicality, with features like 8.7 inches of ground clearance and X-Mode off-road assist. Inside, it offers a spacious cabin with an 11.6-inch vertical touchscreen. Safety is enhanced with Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology, including adaptive cruise control and lane centering. With a starting price around $30,000, the Outback is a smart and dependable option for various driving needs. Number 2025 Lexus RX. The 2025 Lexus RX combines luxury with performance. The RX 350 features a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine producing 275 horsepower, while the RX 500 HF Sport Hybrid variant delivers a combined 366 horsepower. The RX's design includes a 14-inch touchscreen, high-end sound system, and heated and ventilated seats. Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 provides advanced safety features such as lane keeping assistance and proactive driving aids. Starting at approximately $50,000, the RX offers sophistication without compromising reliability. Number 1. 2025 Audi Q5. The 2025 Audi Q5 continues to set the standard in the luxury SUV segment. It is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine delivering 261 horsepower, complemented by Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system. The Q5's interior features a 10.1-inch touchscreen and a 12.3-inch digital display, offering a modern and luxurious experience. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and Audi's pre-sense collision avoidance system. With a starting price around $46,000, the Q5 balances luxury, performance, and daily usability. The 2025 SUV market presents a diverse array of vehicles, each catering to specific needs and preferences. Whether seeking off-road capability, family-friendly features, or luxury appointments, there is a 2025 SUV to match every requirement. Careful consideration of performance specifications, safety features, and pricing will ensure that the chosen SUV aligns with individual needs and expectations. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.